Adding ffplay to GhostBSD and Kdenlive. By default, GhostBSD doesn't come with ffplay enabled in the ffmpeg port. And as you can see, if you type in ffplay, it's not available. And this kind of is useful for if you're going to do some video editing in Kdenlive. So in order to get ffplay, we're going to have to install the ports. Now, GhostBSD is packages based. Compiling your own ports is perhaps not encouraged, but it's the only way that we're going to get this done. So first, we need to actually install the ports, and pkg install ports. Once that's done, we do sudo pkg install -g, and then it's GhostBSD dev, as you can see on screen. And this will install all the development tools we need to compile his own port. I say by default, GhostBSD doesn't do this. It's going to assume that, because of the user base is different from FreeBSD, that you're just going to be using the pre-compiled packages. Once that's done, we go to the actual directory in user ports multimedia ffmpeg, and we go make config. And this should bring up, there's a little menu item there. We go all the way down to where it says STL, and then that's it. And now we just have to recompile the port. So make install clean. There's some extras. Just press OK. Right. So there's the error saying you make a deinstall. So we just put make deinstall and then make install clean again. And we should be good to go. So we'll just exit out of root and type in ffplay, and there it is. So now that that's done, and we can fill out the requisite part of Kdenlive to show where ffplay is, which is USR local bin ffplay. Well, there you go. We shouldn't have any problems if you require ffplay now. Right, hope this is a very small video. Hopefully it was useful in some way. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like one or more of my videos, then consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.